Hey guys, we are coming at your university. Are you ready?
আগামী 28 মার্চ রাজশাহী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে আয়োজিত হতে যাচ্ছে জব ফেয়ার। আমরা স্কাইলার্ক অফ লিমিটেড সেখানে থাকছি সারাদিন ব্যাপী। আপনি আসছেন তো?
We're coming at your university. So guys, are you ready?
Hey guys, be ready. We are coming at your university.
Hello everyone, we are Skylark of Limited coming at your university. So get ready.
It should come as no surprise that IT profession is the fastest growing career field in our country. So to boost up your career, we are coming at your university. Visit us on 28 March at 10 am in Rajshahi University. So guys, are you ready?
Are you ready?